In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off MFA on Salesforce. Before we begin, a quick note. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is an important security feature that helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Turning it off will make it easier to log in, but it can also reduce your overall security. Only follow these steps if you fully understand the risks and if you're allowed to make these changes in your organization. Let's start from the beginning. First, log into your Salesforce account using your usual username and password and complete any MFA prompt you currently have set up. Once you're on the main Salesforce homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the entry point to your settings and setup tools. Click that gear icon, and in the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. This will take you into the more detailed administration area where you can manage security settings. After the advanced setup page loads, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type the word identity. As you type, Salesforce will filter the menu options below. From the list of results, look for and click on Identity Verification. This is the section where Salesforce groups settings related to how users confirm their identity when logging in. Once you're on the identity verification page, scroll until you find the section called Multi-Factor Authentication. This is where the main control for MFA is located. In this section, look for the option that says Require multi-factor authentication for all direct UI logins to your Salesforce org. To turn off MFA, you need to remove this requirement. To do that, locate the checkbox on the left side of this option and click it to uncheck the box. When the box is unchecked, Salesforce will no longer require MFA for standard logins to your organization's user interface. After you've unchecked that option, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see a Save button. Click Save to apply the updated settings. Salesforce will process the change, and once it's saved, MFA will no longer be required for direct UI logins. That's it. You've successfully turned off MFA in Salesforce by updating the identity verification settings and saving your changes.